A former soldier turned congressman expressed doubts on the content of the MILF report on the Mama Sapano incident. Grace Casin will tell us why.
Malaking duda to. Malaking duda. Kaya nga, unang-una, sinasabi nila nga na hindi na alam si Marwan. It's a lie. No? At pangalawa, they were just defending themselves. They were not on the offensive. For me, it's a lie.
Magdalo Party List Representative Gary Alejandro questioned the MILF report on Mama Sapano incident on January 25, where 44 of the PNP SAF commandos were killed. There are some points in the report that the former soldier who was once fought with the rebels in Mama Sapano, Maguindanao, thinks as doubtful. He said that Mama Sapano is a small town, so it is impossible for the people there don't know Marwan and Basit Osman.
Si Marwan ay nagsisimba sa katabing mosque. Hindi naman siya na magsisimba ng nag-iisa. Nagsisimba siya doon, may community doon, may mga babae doon, may mga lalaki doon. Hindi naman sila magsabi, sino tong taong ito? Hindi namin kilala, hayaan mo yan. Hindi. Kilala nila si Basit Osman.
Alejandro said there are a lot of inconsistencies in the MILF statements that the BIFF is their enemy and that they saw the BIFF after the encounter on January 25.
Nakita nila na may iba pang armed group doon. At na-identify nila. Pag na-identify mo, malapit yon. Malayo, hindi mo ma-identify yon. At sinabi nilang BIFF. Na sinasabi nilang kalaban nila. Kung nakita mo pala na malapit na may mga armed elements doon, ba't hindi mo binaril? Kalaban nyo pala yan eh. Nagpapakita dito na hindi sila magkalaban.
The lawmaker, who is also a member of the ad hoc committee on the Bangsamoro, fears that the Bangsamoro Basic Law might suffer. This is if the MILF will not surrender their men to face the charges to be filed by the DOJ.
They should commit. Kasi example lang. Kung talagang sincere kayo, isurrender niyo yung pwersa niyo.
Grace Casin reporting for Y News.